Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MSc MSCS MMT004. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you are looking for this, you can contact us and take your informations. And right now here we are discussing the first question, state whether the following statements are true or false, justify your answers. So there are total 5 statements are given here. All statements and each statement is a number of 2, and there is a total of 10 numbers. So you know that we have solved all the answers of this PDF and other PDF also. So if you are looking for this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, we will very welcome to you for helping. Thank you very much.